Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahmi Haqjm bin Shamsudin. My matrix number is B0519100048 and I am from FKP. Today I would like to talk about addressing local and global challenge in electrical power system. The basic operation of an electrical power system involves several key components and processes that work together to generate, transmit, distribute, and consume electricity. Here is an overview of each stage. Number 1, generation. Number 2, transmission. Number 3, distribution. Number 4, consumption. And last, control and protection. Okay, for generation. Example for generation, there are power plant, generator, and renewable energy system. Next, transmission. Example for transmission, there are high voltage transmission line, substation, and grid management. Then, distribution. Example for distribution, there are distribution line, distribution transformers, and distribution network. Number 4, consumption. Example for consumption is residential consumer, commercial consumer, and industrial consumer. And last but not least, control and protection. The example for control and protection is load balancing, grid stability, and protection system. Okay, this is the classification of electric power distribution network. Okay, number 1, we have generation, and for generation we have power station and power transformers. And next, transmission, there are transmission substation. And number 3, we have distribution substation. Number 4, transformer. And last, residential consumer. Here are some specific challenge in Malaysia electrical power system along with example. Number 1, aging infrastructure. The challenge is Malaysia electrical grid infrastructure, some of which is outdated, require significant investment in modernization to improve reliability and efficiency. For example, frequent power outage in a rural area highlight the need for upgrade infrastructure. Number 2, capacity constraint. The challenge is rapid urbanization and industrial growth in Malaysia have led to increased electricity demand, stressing the current capacity of the grid. For example, peak demand in urban centers like Kuala Lumpur and Penang often test the limit of existing grid capacity. Number 3, regulatory and policy issue. The challenge is the power sector in Malaysia is regulated by multiple bodies, and navigating this complex regulatory environment can be challenging for stakeholders. For example, delays in renewable energy project approval due to regulatory bottleneck. Number 4, energy efficiency. The challenge is improving energy efficiency to reduce wastage and support sustainable development. For example, implementing energy efficient practice in commercial building and industrial operation. And last, technological advancement and smart grid implementation. The challenge is adopting new technologies and transitioning to smart grid to modernize the power system. Example, implementing smart meter and grid management system to enhance efficiency. This is global challenge in electrical power system. First, climate change. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, flood, and heat wave can disrupt power supply. Number 2, resource scarcity. The depletion of fossil fuel reserve necessitates a shift to renewable energy source. Number 3, renewable energy integration. Integrating variable renewable energy source such as solar and wind into the grid present technical challenge. Number 4, cyber security. The increasing digitization of power system make them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Number 5, global energy demand. Rapid industrialization and economic growth in developing countries are driving up global energy demand. And last, regulatory and market structure. Different countries have varying regulation and market structure, complicating international collaboration. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.